Alright, YouTube, here we are in a duel. I'm playing Wind Up in this one, and we shall see who wins. I don't know what the other guy's playing just yet. Alright, he beats Paper with Rock, and so he's going first. I'm sure if I misplay in this, you'll tell me what I did wrong. But until then, let's see how I do. Ooh, looks like we're playing a Machina deck. Adds Fortress. Yep. I think he's going to attempt to special summon it this turn. Discards Green Gadget with Fortress and summons Fortress. I believe he'll equip Gear Frame to Fortress. Oh no. Interesting. Alright. Let's see if I play this right. Alright, I will activate Wind Up Factory. Normal summon Wind Up Rabbit. Factory's effect. I think I will go ahead and add Wind Up Rat to my hand. I will set a torrential, and I will activate Power Duality. For Power Duality, I get MST, Book of Moon, and Wind Up Factory. I will choose MST. I will activate it and destroy his back row. Another MST. And I will go ahead and end turn. He'll discard Yellow Gadget and Fortress to special summon Fortress. I activate Torrential Tribute. His two Fortress and Gear Frame are now destroyed. Activates Pot of Avarice. He selects Yellow Gadget, Green Gadget, 2 Fortress, and 1 Gear Frame. He sets 1 back row. And he ends turn. Alright. Standby phase. My Wind Up Rabbit comes back. Special summon Shark. Let's see. Activate a second Wind Up Factory. I make Shark level 3. I believe both of my factories go off. And I select one wind-up hunter and one wind-up magician. I believe what I'll do is I will overlay. For wind-up carrier Zen Mighty. The bottomless trap holes it. Kind of figured that was either a bottomless or a warning. Next, I normal summon my wind-up rat. Its effect goes off. And I will special summon my wind-up shark. Next, I will overlay. Oh. Shark is level 3. View. I will choose wind-up carrier Zen Mighty. Let's see. I will detach both Zen Mighty and one factory will go off. So I will view. I will special summon one rat and add one shark to hand. Next, I will switch to defense to special summon my shark, special summon my other shark. I think what do I need to do? I think I'll have to go for my other Zen Mighty. Unshark is level 3. Let's see. One wind-up rat. View. I will special. Let's see, that's my last Zen Mighty, so I will choose Wind-Up Hunter. I could do one more level 3. Yes, I think I shall. And I'll do Leviar. And now I shall attack for 18 and 45. He has 1700 left, and I end turn. Let's see if he can recover from that. He sets one back row. Discard Cyber Dragon. Summon Machina Cannon. Alright. 2200 defense. I think it might have just succeeded in stalling me out. Let's see. What can I possibly do? I suppose I could detach to special summon another monster. But what would be of help right now? Good question, good question. Nothing can overpower that, unfortunately. I'm going to have to go with Wind-Up Rabbit. And I will have to end my turn. I honestly thought he should have used Cyber Dragon and Chimera Tech to me. In fact, I think I'll ask him why not. He's probably beating himself up right now. I'll activate. Well, I think I should save it. End. Alright. I think I can get away with it once more. Alright. Activate Heavy Storm. Why didn't... Wow, sitting on a Mirror Force and D Prison. Holy moly. Alright. End turn. Probably another D Prison. Actually need one of my monsters destroyed, so... Yellow Gadget. MST, my solemn warning. Another wind-up factory. Go ahead and activate it. End turn. Green Gadget. Torrential. Okay. Well, that actually helps me a lot. So I think I can swarm. Yep, I can win this. Let's see. Yep, one more tour guide. And I think just for the hell of it, I'll overlay for Leviathan Dragon. And that ends the game. Well, that was a Wind Up versus Machina. I hope you enjoyed the duel, and we'll see you next time.